Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from funding to spot in Bitget for 2025. If you're trading on Bitget, you know how important it is to move your funds smoothly between wallets. Whether you're preparing for a spot trade or just organizing your assets, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bitget account set up and verified. If you don't, head over to the Bitget website or app and create one. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallets section. This is usually found in the main menu at the top of the dashboard. Now, locate your funding wallet. This is where your deposited funds typically sit. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your assets, including USDT. Select USDT from the list. It's the stablecoin we all love for its reliability. Next, look for the transfer option. It might be labeled as Transfer or Move Funds. Choose to transfer from funding to spot. You'll need to enter the amount of USDT you want to move. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto moves are final. Before confirming, Bitget might show you a summary of the transfer, including any potential fees. In 2025, fees are usually minimal, but always verify to keep costs low. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button and wait for the transaction to process. It should only take a few seconds to a minute. And just like that, your USDT is now in your spot wallet, ready for trading. This process keeps your funds secure and helps you manage your portfolio effectively. If you run into any issues, Bitget's support team is top-notch. Just check their help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!